What is going on, YouTube? Where are we?
Somewhere in the Middle East.
What is up, YouTube? We are back with another video, and of course we are around cars, which means we're at a car meet, and the first one you're gonna see is something crazy. But let's go check out all of the cars. First one we have is a Viper Carbon. You can see the nitrous in the back is hooked up, purged. Crazy spec, carbon everywhere. One of the wildest cars I've seen out in a while, because it's been so hot out here in the Middle East. They don't normally take most of the nice cars out. Tires will melt. But you can see I got GTRs, Supras, all sorts of things to get to. But let's go ahead and finish our way around the circle. Now, don't kill me. Obviously, I know that's a Toyota Supra. We got a nice Nissan. Crazy spec wheels. There's a bunch of blue cars out here. You're gonna see probably 30 blue cars with white wheels. And what did you say about the white wheels?
Them white wheels go crazy. I like it. If we were to have a blue car, I would want white wheels because it stands out.
But like I said, we'll go up. If I don't hit your car, I'm sorry. But you have a lot of tuners, GTRs. See, we have a nice UAE tag. The B58 Toyota Supra. It's Honda Type R Group. And we have something I've never seen before. All right, you got a GTR. And then a GTR that's turned into a wagon. So if you know anything about these, let me know in the comments, because I don't know what that is. And we have another GTR, carbon hood. A bunch of Nissan 350 and 370Zs. And then of course, Godzilla here. Crazy amount of forged carbon fiber. And then I know the owner of this car. He's also got a nice Corvette. You can see really big tires on the rear to make sure the turbo kicks in. And as I said, you'll see a lot of blue cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so forth. You got a bunch of them everywhere. We got a bunch of Subarus, Supras, again, GTRs, Supras, everything you could think of. See the other B58 Supra coming through as well. Another Supra. I like how the Supras have those long lights. You can change the colors on. Obviously you can see this one. Nice gray color. We have a blue GTR. Again, blue seems to be the theme. Super clean color. Then as I said, a bunch of Supras. I think this is the most popular car out here that I've seen. Is a Toyota Supra, Toyota Supra, Toyota Supra, Toyota Supra. But overall, shout out to T14 Club. Short video, but you can see a lot of the cars. There will be cars and coffee tomorrow, so a lot of these guys will be out here. Favorite car?
I have one out here.
She's lying. She likes the blue GTR. She talks about it all the time.
Oh, wait, yeah. Okay, I take that back. The blue GTR.
But other than that, we're out, you guys. Short video.